Discovering you're expecting a baby is a momentous occasion. Sharing the news with family and friends is equally exciting. Let's explore some fun and creative ways to announce your pregnancy that will make this special moment unforgettable. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and a clever photo can be the perfect way to announce your pregnancy. Think about using props like baby shoes, ultrasound images, or even a custom onesie with a witty saying. Capture the surprise and joy in a snapshot that speaks volumes. Themes can add a playful twist to your announcement. Are you movie buffs? Create a mock movie poster with a release date for your new arrival? Love books? Design a custom book cover titled Our Next Chapter. The possibilities are endless, and choosing a theme that's meaningful to you makes the announcement all the more personal. If you already have children or pets, involve them in the fun. A photo of your child holding a sign saying, "Promoted to Big Brother Sister," or your pet with a Guardian of the New Human bandana can melt hearts and spread the joy of your growing family. Seasonal touches can make your announcement timely and unique. Announce in autumn with a photo of baby-sized pumpkins, or in winter with a cute, "Baby, it's cold outside, but our hearts are warm" with the news message. Each season offers a fresh backdrop for your special announcement. No matter how you choose to share your pregnancy news, the key is to have fun with it. Your announcement is a reflection of your joy and the beginning of a beautiful journey. Embrace the creativity and let the love shine through.